What's going on, folks? I wanted to make this video for you all who, go through time and time again trying to buy like air fresheners to make your vehicle smell better. A lot of times you buy like the type of air fresheners that, the ones that you would hang on your rear view mirror, as well as some of the ones that you may plug into your vents that's inside of your vehicle to kind of put out some nice fresh air when you're running your vehicle. The problem with most of those type of air fresheners pretty much only cover the scents that may be in your car. If you want to go ahead on and try to eliminate those bad odors that's in your vehicle once and for all, what you might want to do is what I recently started doing to one of my vehicles is using, basically, this is called some Meguiar's refreshener odor eliminator. What this actually does is it completely eliminates the bad odors that's inside of your vehicle. It just doesn't cover the odors itself. What it does is it goes through your system, your airflow system, and pretty much eliminates the bad odors that's in your vehicle. Say you got something that you done spilled on your floor. I know sometimes in my truck somebody may have spilled some water or some Kool-Aid or something like that spilled that may constantly make a scent, especially when your vehicle is closed up and it gets hot inside of it. So with this right here, what it does is pretty much it goes through and it completely eliminates the odor. It just doesn't cover it up like typical air fresheners may do, but it eliminates it. And to use this product is pretty simple. It basically works like a bomb. If you ever dealt with like your roach bombs or your bombs that you may use to get spiders or ants or something like that in your basement, it's pretty much the same thing. You're pretty much going to just be pressing it down like that, and it's going to spray up with the mist that's going to come out into your vehicle. Then what you're going to want to do is, well, before you do that, what you want to do is go ahead and turn your vehicle on. You're going to want to turn your fan to high. You don't need to use heat or AC, just your fan itself. And you want to turn your vehicle to the recirculation system, to where the air that's inside of your car is being recirculated throughout your vehicle. That way when the mist is going into your vehicle, it can take it all the way through your air ducts. That way it gets all over your vehicle. I'm going to show you in a second how to do this, but this is called Meguiar's. There's several different scents that you can get. This one happens to be new car scent. There's several different ones that you can use to make your car smell different ways. This one right here is Meguiar's. There's also another one called Mother's that also works well, but I'm gonna be using this one right here, and I'm gonna be showing. And these also, it will probably last for a few months in your vehicle. It'll keep your vehicle smelling fresh for a few months, and maybe even longer. But most importantly, like I said, it should take care of some of those old lingering odors that you may have in your vehicles from stuff spilled in the past. So I'm about to go out now and show you exactly how to use it. Okay, so now I'm out inside the vehicle and I'm about to be using this product. Also, this is not a paid advertisement or anything like that. This is just a product that I've used in the past that I feel like really works well, so I wanted to share this with you all. So like I said, I'm inside of my vehicle and I'm about to go ahead and use it. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and start up my vehicle. And once it's started, what I'm going to do is go to my fan, and I'm going to turn my fan all the way to high, and then I'm going to hit the recirculate right here. That means recirculate. I want that light to be on, that way that it's pulling the air basically from throughout my vehicle. Is recirculating the air. Then once I did that, I just took off this lid right here. I took this lid off of it, and when I'm doing this, let me turn this down, you can hear it better. But when I'm doing this, what you're going to want to do is leave it sitting for about 15 minutes. So you want to hit your can, look at your time. You're going to want to leave your vehicle running for like 15 minutes with this can, with the spray coming out of it. So if you got a garage or you want to lock your door, you got your spare keys or something like that, but leave your vehicle running, turn your turn your fan to high, and then turn on your recirculator right here, your recirculation of your air. Go ahead and press this button down. You press that down, you'll see the mist coming out. look at the time. You want it basically to run, well, to stay inside of your vehicle for about 15 minutes. And after about 15 minutes, then you want to come out. You want to go ahead and, of course, turn your vehicle off, and then let your also you want to make sure that your windows is up, all the way up, and your door is all the way shut. That way it doesn't escape out. But after 15 minutes, what you're going to do is come out. You're going to take the can out. You're going to turn your vehicle off, open up your doors and windows, and give it probably about 15 minutes for it to air itself completely out, and you'll be good. So I'm going to go ahead and do this now. So what I'm doing now here is shake it a little bit. Now I'm just pressing this right here, and when I do that, you should see the mist starting to come out. First, what I'm going to do is go ahead and turn this back up. Hit this. Make sure that's on. And once I have that, and also you want to make sure that you don't have it on your defrost setting. You want to have it where it's showing like floor as well as your face. So once I've done that, now what I'm about to do is press this down. You see how it's doing? So I'm going to let that stay inside of here for 15 minutes. I'm about to get out the vehicle. So I'm going to let that just be here. I'm going to shut the door so it doesn't get out. Alright folks, so I went ahead on, let it sit in here for 15 minutes. But definitely make sure you don't stay in the vehicle while you're doing this. You want to be out the vehicle. I waited for 15 minutes now, so pretty much the can is empty. So now what I'm going to do now is go ahead and turn my vehicle off. And before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and let my windows down. So yeah, what you want to do after you do that is you want to go ahead and let all your windows down. Pretty much you want all your windows in your vehicle to be down. Of course, if you're like in a backyard or something, on a garage or something like that where you could go ahead on and also open up your doors to let it air out. Now you want to do this for probably about 15 minutes. Let your vehicle air itself out now, and pretty much you'll be good. And pretty much this makes your vehicle smell great. I used the new car smell, and I can already tell it smells great inside this vehicle. So, all right, folks, once again, this is how you would eliminate odors that you may have had in your vehicle for long periods of time that you're tired of just trying to cover up with using like air fresheners and all that. You could use this stuff called Meguiar's whole car air freshener odor eliminator. I'm going to be trying to tag some products at down below this video, so check down there. I may have them tagged. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.